now we multiplicate with a cube. You can play this game alone, but also in groups. Also, it's at school. At school, you can make groups of 5, for example, and you can play this game. You take the cube and you make like this, and then the number you decide what with what number we have to multiplicate the number that we find here. Let's say 2. 6. Okay, there's one winner. 6. Okay. 4. 10. Okay, and we can with 3. So 15. 6. 3. 9, and so on. And the person who has the most of the points, who has win, he can receive a chocolate or something like this. You can make it begin it with very easy with 2 or 3, and when the children knows the multiplication better, you can go to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9. Okay.